Now you can see here question number 9b is minus 16 root 2 a term of the series minus 1 minus root 2 minus 2. अब यो minus 16 root 2 भनेको यो series को term हो कि हैन, that we have to okay that we have to identify. हामीले identify गर्नुपर्ने कुरा के छ त, is minus 16 root 2 a term of the series. Okay, this is one question here. In C also, is 64 by 27 a term of the GP whose first term is 27 and common ratio is 2 by 3. यसमा त झन् हामीलाई first term र common ratio directly given छ र यो 64 by 27 यस्तो GP जसको first term 27 र common ratio 2 by 3 भएको GP को term हो कि हैन भनेर सोधेको छ. Okay, so let's start to do from question number 9b. Okay, 9b को solution हेरौं. Question number 9b solution. So first of all, let's write here given series is. अब हामीलाई 9 को b मा के given छ त, given series is. Okay, first of all we have to write here given series is. यसमा हामीलाई given series भनेको -1 then minus root 2, okay, then minus 2 and then this one. Okay, this is the given series. यो एउटा given series छ. Given series को we have to write here first term. Here, okay, here first term. यसको first term हेरौँ है त. Here first term, that is a is equals to -1. First term भनेको के छ त, -1 छ है. Here first term is -1. And now we have to find here common ratio. Therefore, common ratio that is R is equals to T2 divided by A. You know the formula. T2 means minus root 2 divided by A means -1. So minus minus we can cancel and we found here root 2. Okay, so common ratio R is equals to, we found here root 2. So अब यो minus 16 root 2 a term of the series हो कि हैन भनेर सोधिरहेको छ. Okay, we'll suppose here. अब यो टर्मलाई हामीले सपोज गर्नु पर्यो. Let minus 16 root 2 be the nth term of the given series. Okay, so let's write here. Let minus 16 root 2 be the, okay, be the nth term of the given series. Okay, nth term of the given series. Let minus 16 root 2 be the nth term of the given series. Okay, therefore we can write here Tn is equals to minus 16 root 2. Okay, so we can write here Tn is equals to minus 16 root 2. So now we are going to use the formula for Tn. Our Tn के formula use गर्दैछौं. By formula you can write here by formula Tn is equals to AR power n minus 1. Okay, this is the formula. Tn is equals to AR power n minus 1. Then what is the Tn here? Tn भनेको त हामीलाई minus 16 root 2. Okay, minus 16 root 2 is equals to, what is the A? A is -1, and then into R we have found a root 2, then n minus 1. Okay, root 2 n minus 1. So now what we can cancel here? This minus and minus we can cancel. So simply we found here this is 16 root 2 is equals to, okay, here we found root 2 power n minus 1. Okay, this is the root 2 power n minus 1. So let's write here. यहाँ the 16 root 2 is equals to root 2 power n minus 1 छ. अब हामीले यताको टर्मलाई पनि root 2 कै पावरमा कन्भर्ट गर्नु पर्यो. Okay, we have to convert in the power of root 2. Okay, first of all 16 भनेको कति हो त, 2 को power 4 है. 16 भनेको 2 को power 4. Okay, and then 2 को power 4 then into root 2 is equals to root 2 power n minus 1. Okay, root 2 power n minus 1. अब हामीले यो 2 लाई we can write here root 2 तर स्क्वायर लेख्नु पर्यो. यदि हामीले 2 लाई if we simply write here root 2, त्यसपछि हामीले के लेख्नु पर्यो त, we have to write here square. Okay, then whole power 4 त सधैँ सही. whole power 4 into root 2. Okay, whole power 4 into root 2 है यो 2 लाई चाहिँ root 2 को स्क्वायर लेखेको किन भन्दा 2 भनेको हामीले root 2 को स्क्वायर लेख्न मिल्छ and then whole power मा 4 पनि छ. Okay, then into root 2. This is equals to root 2 power n minus 1. We can write here, this means root 2 power 4 to the 8. 8 into root 2 is equals to root 2 power n minus 1. Okay. So now let's look at here the base. यहाँ चाहिँ base multiplication को form मा base root 2 same छ भने power should be added. So root 2 को power मा we can write here 8 plus 1. Okay, is equals to root 2 power n minus 1. Okay, so we found here root 2 power 9 is equals to root 2 power n minus 1. Okay, so here we found root 2 power 9 is equals to root 2 power n minus 1. So, okay, now we are going to find here the value for n. Our n value we can easily find here. Or what we can write here? 9 is equals to n minus 1. 9 is equals to n minus 1. Okay, we can write here 9 plus 1 is equals to n. Okay, then 10 is equals to n. Therefore, n is equals to, we found here 10. So here we found the exact value. Decimal ma chaina yo value bhaneko it's a natural number. Okay, actually ke hunu parcha natural number hunu paryo. Okay, so here the value of n is, okay, here the value of n is natural number. Okay, here the value of n is a natural number. So minus 16 root 2. Minus 16 root 2 is the term of the given series. Okay, so in this way we can write this one, and this question number 9b is completed. So look at here, another question here is this is the question number 9c. Okay, is 64 by 27 a term of the GP whose first term is 27 and common ratio is 2 by 3. अब यसमा चाहिँ 64 27 64 by 27 भनेको टर्म अफ द जीपी हो कि हैन? फर्स्ट कुन जीपी को जसको फर्स्ट टर्म चाहिँ 27 छ र कमन रेशियो 2 by 3 छ हो त्यो जीपी को चाहिँ 64 divided by 27 टर्म हो कि हैन? दैट वी हैव टु फाइन्ड हियर. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट टु सल्भ दिस. यसमा त हामीले डाइरेक्ट गिवन छ. Okay, what is given here? First term is directly given. Given that is first term. Okay, first term A is equals to 27. This is directly given. Common ratio is also given. Common ratio that is R is equals to 2 upon 3. Okay, common ratio is also given 2 upon 3. Then we have to suppose यो जुन टर्म हामीले टर्म अफ द जीपी हो कि हैन भनेर सोधिरहेको छ त्यो टर्मलाई हामीले nth टर्म सपोज गर्नु पर्यो. ओके, let 64 by 27 be the nth term. 64 divided by 27. Okay, tn भनेको हामीले 64 divided by 27 we can write by formula. Let's use your formula. By formula, tn is equals to AR power n minus 1. Okay, Tn is equals to AR power n minus 1 we can write. So what is Tn here? Tn means 64 by 27. 64 divided by 27 is equals to A means 27. Then into R is 2 upon 3. Okay, let's write properly here. 2 upon 3. R means 2 upon 3. Then power n minus 1. Okay, so now let's take this 27 this side. You divide also. 27, it will be in divide. Okay, so we can write here or 64 divided by 27 into 27 you can write here. 27 into 27. Okay, then power n minus 1. Okay, 2 upon 3, then power n minus 1. Okay, so let's convert here. 64. We'll write here. Okay, 64. 27 means a 3 cube, you know that. And another 27 is also 3 cube. Okay, so this is equals to 2 upon 3 power n minus 1. Okay, you know that here 64 means it should be 2 power 6. 64 means 2 power 6. And here also we found 3 base 10 power should be added if there is multiplication. Okay, product rule of indices. Base 10 power should be added. So 3 power 6. This is equals to 2 by 3 power n minus 1. Okay, so we can write here 2 upon 3, then whole power 6. We can write in this way. Obviously, individual power 6. Okay, 2 ko power 6, 3 ko power 6 as a whole. Inside the base 2 by 3 rakhera power 6 rakhna milcha hai. Okay, so this is equals to 2 by 3, then power n minus 1. Okay, so we can write here now bases are same, power should be equal. Then 6 is equals to n minus 1, or we can write here 6 plus 1 is equals to n. Okay, then 7 is equals to n. Therefore, we found here n is equals to 7. Okay, here also we found the value of n 7 भनेको natural number नै आएको छ. Here the value of n is natural number. Okay, is a natural number. Here the value of n is natural number. So 64 by 27 is the term of the GP. Okay. So in this way we completed here question number 9C.